friends. As you know that we are discussing practice set number 3.3 in arithmetic progression. Right now we have come to the question number 8 in practice set number 3.3. So what the question number 8 is? See, question number 8 is telling us that as like the question number 7 only. So question number 8 tells us that sum of 4 consecutive terms, there are 3 consecutive terms were there. Okay, sum of 4 consecutive terms is 12 and the sum of third and fourth term in that four terms only is 14. Consider or assume that 4 consecutive terms are a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. So the question is that find out that 4 terms. Find out that 4 consecutive terms. Okay, fine, no problem. Now see, how can we find it out? Just with the help of these two given conditions. This is my condition number 1 and this is my condition number 2. Okay, fine. So condition number 1 is telling you sum of 4 consecutive terms and condition number 2 is telling you that the sum of third and fourth term. Okay, no problem. Now see, here let a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d be 4 CT means consecutive terms, 4 consecutive terms in the given AP, arithmetic progression. Now according to the first condition, what is the first condition? According to the condition number 1 and condition number 2. Okay, according to the first condition, what is the first condition? Sum of 4 consecutive terms is 12. Sum of 4 consecutive terms is 12. So make the sum of all 4 consecutive terms. First term is a minus d plus second term is a, third term is a plus d plus fourth term is a plus 2d. A plus 2d is equal to, how much is the sum? It's 12. So it is 12. Fine. So a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 12. So this minus d and plus d will cancel to each other. No problem. 1a, 2a, 3a, 4a plus d, only one term is there of d. So 4a plus 2d is equal to 12. No problem. Can we write like this? 4a plus 2d is equal to 12. So by dividing both sides by 2, we'll get here, this is 2a plus only d is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2. So on dividing both sides by 2, we'll get here 2a plus d is equal to 6. Suppose this is my equation number 1. Now we don't know the values of a and d. What are the a and d's? Because they have given us general terms a and d. First term is a and the common difference is d. Fine. So how can we find it out? 2a plus d is equal to 6. This is my equation number 1. Now as per the condition number 1, I have reached up to the equation number 1 only. Now to proceed further with the values of a and d, I need to take the condition number 2. Now what is condition number 2? Condition number 2 is telling us that the sum of third and fourth term, is 14. Okay. So according to the condition number 2, that means according to second condition, So according to second condition, what we'll get there? Second condition is telling that third plus fourth is equal to 40. So what is your third term? This is your first term. This is your first term. This is second term. This is third term, and this is fourth term. So the sum of third and fourth is 14. We'll write here sum of third and fourth term. So sum of third means T3 plus T4 is equal to how much? It's a 14. No problem. Therefore, we can write T3 is equal to T3 A plus D plus T4, it's A plus 2D is equal to 14 only. A plus A, it's a 2A plus 2D plus D, it's a 3D is equal to 14. All the terms are divisible by any number or not? No, they are not divisible because 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So we will give equation number 2 only here. So we have got here in equation number 1, 2A plus D is equal to 6. And in equation number 2, 2A plus 3D is equal to 14. Now to find the required terms, we need to find out the values of A and D, because in required terms only A and D are there. See here, AD, here A, AD, AD, finish. So we need to find out A and D. Now for that purpose use these two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, we will use it. How do we use it? These two are simple linear equations and we know that how to solve linear equations just with the help of subtraction of these two equations. First we have to check out, is there any variable with the same coefficient? Yes, A and A, these are the variables and they are acting as a variable in these two linear equations. Most of the times we use x, y, z, these are the variables, but in these two cases A and D are acting as what? Variables. So this is, A has 2 as the coefficient, here A also has 2 as the coefficient. So you can just subtract equation number 1 from equation 2 or equation 2 from equation 1. So what you will do, you'll just do one thing. Here is 14, here is 6. So 14 is greater, 6 is lesser. That's why we will subtract this from this. Equation number 1 from equation 2. By subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, by subtracting equation 1, by subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get. So what do we get there? See, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. First write equation 2. 2A plus 3D is equal to 14. Then equation number 1. 2A plus D is equal to 6. Okay, no problem. And you are going to subtract it. So subtract it. This will become minus. This will again become minus. This will become minus. 2A minus 2A cancelled to each other. We got 0. 3D minus D, it's a 2D, is equal to 14 minus 6, it's a 8. And therefore we will write here D is equal to 8 upon 2. This 2 will go on that side and we will get 8 upon 2, and that's why D is equal to 4 only. So D is equal to 4 we got here. And once you got D is equal to 4, then you can easily find out the value of A with the help of equation number 1 or equation number 2. In any equation you can substitute the value of D is equal to 4. So we will use equation number 1. By substituting D is equal to 4 in equation 1, by substituting what? D is equal to 4 in equation, D is equal to 4 in equation number 1. So we'll get there 2A plus D is equal to 2A plus D is equal to 6 was there. Therefore use D is equal to 4, 2A plus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore 2A is equal to 6 minus 4. Therefore 2A is equal to 2 and therefore A is equal to 1. Okay, no problem. So A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 4. These are the required terms. Now, but this was not our answer. Our answer was something different. That 4 terms which they have given us, we need to find out that 4 terms. Now for that 4 terms, so required 4 terms are, first term is equal to A minus D, which is equal to second term is equal to A, which is equal to third term, which is equal to A plus D is equal to, and fourth term is equal to A plus 2D and is equal to, okay, just substitute the values of A and D. A is equal to 1, so 1 minus D is 4, so 1 minus 4 is minus 3. A, it's 1 only, so 1. Third term, A plus D, A is 1, D is 4, so 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Fourth term, A plus 2D, so A plus 2D, that means 1 plus 2 into D, D is 4, 4 2s are 8, so it will become 8 is equal to 8 plus 1, it's 9. Therefore, the required 4 terms are, minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. These are required 4 terms. Minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Okay, fine, no problem. Now see, I think if that terms are not visible to you, then just see this calculation. 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 1 plus 4 is 5, 1 plus 8 is 9. Okay, fine, no problem. So the required 4 terms are, minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Okay, fine. So this is our final answer. Okay, fine. So now that was our question number 8. And we have to discuss one more question from the same practice set. So that is question number 9. So let us discuss it. That was very easy. Question number 7 and question number 8, they have similar pattern. And now let's discuss about question number 9. So problems are very easy actually. You just need to do only formulas of nth term and that sum of first n terms. If you are clear with all the formulas, then the work becomes very easy. Okay, fine. So question number 9 is telling us that, question number 9, if the ninth term of an AP is 0, question number 9 is telling us that, question number 9, ninth term is 0. T9 is given 0. Okay, fine, no problem. And they show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. Then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. Twice the 19th term. So this we need to show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. Okay, fine, no problem. So 29th term is twice the 19th term. This is our target, and to reach that target we will solve the problem. So T9 is equal to 0. Only one formula, nth term, which we are going to use here. formula. So formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is my formula. Now use your given condition. Let A and D be the first term and common difference in the given arithmetic progression. Let A is equal to first term. A is equal to first term and D is equal to common difference. Common difference for given arithmetic progression. Okay, no problem. Now see friends, as they have given us that in very first sentence, ninth term is 0. Ninth term is 0. Since T9 is equal to 0. Okay. T9 is equal to 0. So use your formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is replaced by 9. So we will replace n on the RHS by 9 only. So A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Okay, no problem. Therefore we will write here A plus 8D is equal to 0. A plus 8D is equal to 0. So we'll get from that only A plus 8D is equal to 0. If A plus 8D is equal to 0, then we can write 8D is equal to minus A. 8D is equal to minus A, or A is equal to minus 8D. And from that only we'll get D is equal to minus A by 8. D is equal to minus A by 8. Okay, no problem. So we got the value of A in terms of D and value of D in terms of A. Now what is our target? 29th term and 19th term is our target. 29th term and 19th term is target. Now 29th term T29 is equal to, use the formula for nth term. N is replaced by 29. So A plus n minus 1 means 29 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 28D. Fine, no problem. Suppose this is your equation 1, this is your equation number 2, and what? And 19th term is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 18D. This is equation number 3. Fine, no problem. So 29th term is A plus 28D, 19th term is A plus 18D. But we need to show something different. What we need to show? 29th term is double the 19th term. Okay, fine. But how can we show it? We have to put the value of A. A is equal to minus 8D. Here 8D is equal to minus A. So we can write 8, if 8D is equal to minus A is equal to minus 8D. A is equal to minus 8D. You can put from here. Now T29, by substituting A is equal to minus 8D, as A is equal to minus 8D, therefore T29 is equal to, put the value of A is minus 8D plus 28D, and it is equal to 28 minus 8, it's only 20D. This is equation number 4. And T10 is equal, T19 is equal to A plus 18D. So put the value of A is as minus 8D plus 18D is equal to 18 minus 8. It's a 10D. This is equation number 5. No problem. Now it's very easy. This is the double of this one. Here T29 is equal to 20D, which is equal to 2 into 10D, which is equal to 2 into 10D. But 10D is what? 10D is T19. Fine, no problem. So 2 times T19. T29 is equal to 2 times T19. Finish. That is your problem.